to that danger. Yeah, we done got on top. Yeah. I'm on that by top the roof. I said, yeah, the hole in that bitch going dump too. Huh?
You got a backwood 3? I ain't leave cigarettes over there, huh? Say, man, I'm on live. Hey, that ain't you. You hear me say, look, hey, it ain't no secret though. Hey, bitch, you know about my, hey, you know about my what it is. Say, bitch, you know what Sham. It ain't no secret.
3 got to tell me on 3.
Hey, I got this man on me, nothing. It ain't no question. I'ma dump him. So you twice before you dream of taking something, nigga. He hit the kisses when he turned up on a man thing. He lose his mind and he put 5 on top of your head. Huh? Yeah. Hey, give me the smoke. You want these backwoods back? Huh?
I'm fucking loaded. Time me out.
I'm on that same shit. FREDO, dog.
Trying to punch a nigga head out elephant, hop like a motherfucker.
I'm trying to...
What y'all?
Hey, I'm trying to punch a nigga clean off they show. Bitch ass nigga.
Say 3 nigga hop like an elephant, run this bitch right quick. Yeah.
I talked to D-Dog earlier.
Man, nigga ain't called me about a month, man. I feel played, bro.
I talked to D-Dog earlier.
I'm like,
hey, what you finna... Hey, young, you finna go outside? I about to say no.
What we talking?
I know you ain't bumming like this, son. It's too early to go in. Hey, call 10. Hey, seriously, brother. He FaceTimed me like 20 minutes ago. Oh, must be the truth. Say I swear 10 just wrote on my line. That boy say nigga gonna slap the fuck out of him.
Say it, Dick. But you wanna focus on right quick? You say you trying to focus. You trying to focus on right quick, Dick? Nigga don't call me.
Hey, say, hey, yo, gangsta on here 3. Stunner. I'm trying to add his ass. Hey, say, tell him I say join my shit. You hear me, 3?
There is some horse.
What?
Backwood. And I grabbed the sickly, boy.
Oh, that is Stunner. What you on for? I'm cool and chillin', son.
Shit. I'm on your shit right now. I don't know what the fuck going on with it.
They ain't letting you join?
Hell no. Hell no.
Look at them.
Hell y'all boys on.
We outside. We in the middle of the road right now. We finna go to the north.
Well, what's in that?
Shit, somewhere full of perks. Where you at right now? Where you at right now?
We in Chicago. We need to
Hey, hit the block 3. You hear me? Hit the block for me, man.
How long you gonna be at the wreck?
I don't know, say I sort of go, man. I came back to this bitch, man. I want to move back here so bad, man. But I can't fuck with it though. You know, ain't no place like home. Them police be on a nigga ass though. Other than that shit, hey, we sticked up, bitch. You see how I'm rocking? Hey, we gonna put that blick on your whole ass. We catch you outside around these hours, nigga. Check me out. Yeah. Catch you down bad, that's your ass.
Put up with the mouth to pussy niggas sell bait.
Right here on side me. What's that stunner, bitch?
Shit cool to stick that big lock. You hear me? You know. And that regular flow around thugging. For that reckon we love it. Nah, bro. I'm in that wreck, bro. Hey, try those, stunner. I told her, baby. Hey, trial stunner. I said, baby, like, I got bro, hey, I gotta come in that rack. I gotta, hey, man, like, I ain't lying to you. Out here, it just feel like you're like, bitch, what up? I'm in this bitch, what up?